In this video, we will be talking about the beds in the Bailey Endeavour B64. Now, the B64 has a pop top above. It's a generous double up there. There's a separate video for that one. Today, we'll be discussing the beds down below and how they convert into twin beds or a generous double. Now, for this, you will need your infill cushions. They are black and they look like this. So once you've found them, here's how to make the beds. So first of all, we're going to make up the single beds. There are a few cushions that you don't need, so you can put these out of the way. It's the backrest from the near side bed, and also the backrests from the offside. So with those cushions out of the way, under here, we have a seat frame that pulls forward. Now, you may find it easier to turn that front passenger seat around. You may have already done it if you've stayed during the day. It just gives you a little bit more room. So pull the bed slats out. So with the bed slats pulled forward, all you do is you pull the legs down into place. They're only held on magnetic catches, so just pull them down and put them about 90 degrees. So from here, the main cushion, the one that is on the bottom of the seat, the largest one, you can simply move forward. And from here, we use the backrest. And this is where the bigger of the infill cushions comes in. This simply fits into place. Make sure all the cushions are square. And there you have one single bed. And with the backrest already removed, here's another single. And there we have it. That is how to make up two generous single beds. So if you'd like to make up that generous double bed, it's easiest if you start from the single configuration and put it together the way that we've just shown you. So once you have the single beds in place, you pull out the front frame. It simply slides out from the bed base. Now, because we're filming from that direction, I'm going to start with the front cushion. So this is where the backrest from this side come into play. The smaller of the two goes alongside the smaller of the front two cushions, with the blue portion facing the offside. So next we're going to pull out this bed base here. Now make sure this slots into place. There's a slot in the front, in that front frame. There's also two locating catches to the side. They need to go onto the bed frame here. So now we have the other back portion. That simply slots into place. And then this is where you would need the other infill cushion. Simply unfold it and it fits into the gap between the cushion. And there you have it. That is a really generous double bed, especially when you consider that this is a camper van.